Phase 2 of that is over. Remember, voting for 88 seats across 13 states will be held on Friday. This round of campaigning has seen the BJP, led by the Prime Minister, ramp up their poll pitch, particularly targeting the Congress's wealth survey manifesto promise, claiming that this will lead to redistribution of wealth. The Prime Minister even claiming that the wealth will eventually go to the minority community. The opposition, remember, has labelled it as a hate speech. But have real issues got lost as we approach the second round of this 7-round election marathon? Take a look.
Campaign ends for Phase 2 of the Lok Sabha elections. A spell that saw more googlies than line and length deliveries. A manifesto that made headlines not for what it said, but for its explanation by Rahul Gandhi.
देश का एक्सरे कर देंगे, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाएगा और इस ऐतिहासिक कदम के बाद हम क्रांतिकारी काम शुरू करेंगे.
An explanation that was interpreted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi this way.
पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी, उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का. इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे, घुसपैठियों को बांटेंगे.
Congress formula to end inequality will bring taxmen inside your homes, warned Modi.
हमारी माताओं बहनों के पास जो स्त्री धन होता है, जो मंगलसूत्र होता है, उसका सर्वे करेंगे.
An emotional pitch that got an emotional counter.
इंदिरा गांधी ने अपना सोना, जब जंग हुई थी, अपना सोना देश को दिया. मेरी मां का मंगलसूत्र इस देश को कुर्बान हुआ है.
Rahul Gandhi's top agenda, caste census, has become a talking point.
जो 22 लोगों को उन्होंने 16 लाख करोड़ रुपए ट्रांसफर किया, थोड़ा सा पैसा, ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा पैसा कांग्रेस पार्टी का मैनिफेस्टो वापस 90% को देने जा रही है. थोड़ा सा.
The Congress delivered a full toss in the last over that came all the way from the United States.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. One has $100 million worth of wealth. And when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government.
कांग्रेस का मंत्र है, कांग्रेस की लूट, जिंदगी के साथ भी लूट और जिंदगी के बाद भी लूट.
Nowhere does it talk about wealth redistribution. Nowhere does it talk about taking away anybody's gold and snatching the Mangal Sutras of women. This is such preposterous attacks that we are seeing from the BJP.
While alleged hate speech and inequality shaped the discourse, job creation, price rise all got lost in the din during the campaign for second phase. Bureau Report, India Today.